Hey, it's Jim from Delta Mountain Custom Models. Got a client's Proto 2000 GP38-2 CP3021. I added Tsunami sound to it, put the working ditch lights on it, headlight, move the remove the top light, put the bell on, Sinclair antenna, front and rear MU stands, pilot plow, KD number 58 couplers, wind deflectors, and move the horn to the rear. So why don't we just take a look at this guy. Didn't want it weathered, so and there's a rear pilot plow that goes on it, but he's going to put that one on. Their non-turbo 645 sound is really good. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, I have my own. It's 3024 and it's a dual flag, and I will be selling it. So if you have any inquiries about that, let me know. All right, thanks for watching again. Bye.